Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Zach, one of the many creators here on this channel, bringing you up to speed on the latest and greatest news and information all around the crypto space. In addition to that, we also have some tutorial type videos, learning your lingo. So if you're just getting started in crypto, we've got you covered on that front as well. But in this video, I want to talk about the Ethereum Merge. So if you've been around crypto for a little bit, you know what I'm talking about. It's set to go live this week, and Bank of America says that the Ethereum blockchain's upgrade, which is known as the Ethereum Merge or Ethereum 2.0, it's had like 3 or 4 different names here in the last 5 to 6 months. But the fact that this upgrade is going live, this could lead to greater institutional adoption of Ethereum. Now, many institutions have already bought into the idea of Bitcoin, and that is continually on the rise. But Ethereum is a little bit further behind Bitcoin when it comes to greater institutional adoption. But many people are saying with this upgrade, which is going to provide Ethereum with a lot more throughput and scalability, institutional adoption could be on the rise in the near future for Ethereum. Many people have the idea of, hey, I missed Bitcoin, right? I was a little bit behind the 8 ball there. However, I'm ahead of the game when it comes to Ethereum, right? I think many people kind of have that, including myself, right? Because Bitcoin, really, if you got in by 2017, you really got a bulk of the gains there, right? But with Ethereum, a lot of people think you're still very, very early because it's just about 5-6 years behind Bitcoin in terms of its growth curve. So while Ethereum's switch to proof of stake consensus mechanism from proof of work, a transition known as the merge, is set to happen this week. It has implications that reach beyond simply acting as a precursor for the next stage in the process, the surge. Bank of America said in a research report on Friday, the merge is the first of 5 upgrades planned for the Ethereum blockchain and lays the path for the surge. The notable reduction in energy consumption after the merge goes live could allow some institutional investors to purchase Ethereum for the first time. Those who were barred from buying tokens that run on blockchains using proof of work consensus mechanism. Now, this is fascinating. I did not know this, but there are many institutions that are unable to buy Bitcoin because it works on a proof of work consensus mechanism. With Ethereum moving away from proof of work to proof of stake, this could open the door for many institutional buyers just by that fact alone. If you don't know what proof of work and proof of stake are, there's a video probably somewhere on this channel if you search up for it. I think I even created one. I don't have enough time to break it down and get into it in this video, but it has to do with mining versus staking, and you can kind of start to get at what the differences are. Again, search on this channel. I'm sure you'll find something. The ability to stake ETH and generate a high quality yield, lower credit and liquidity risk as a validator or through a staking service rather than a block box lending or borrowing application may drive institutional adoption. This is coming from a couple analysts from Bank of America who say that a higher quality yield also has ramifications for the Web3 ecosystem of dApps or decentralized applications. A dApp is an application that utilizes blockchain tech to keep users' data out of the hands of the organizations behind it and keeps that data private for you. A decentralized insurance protocol such as Nexus Mutual needs to generate a return on its reserves to allow it to become a feasible alternative to traditional insurance companies, the bank said. So that's what I've got for you here. I just want to bring you up to speed on what this could mean, because obviously many of us, when I say us, retail investors, we're excited about the potential of the Ethereum merge and what it could mean for the long-term growth of Ethereum. But one of the things that needs to happen in order to really drive more adoption into crypto is greater institutional adoption, right? And this is fascinating because I didn't really know this until diving into this article, that the Ethereum merge itself, just the move from proof of work to proof of stake, could drive more institutional money in from a legal standpoint because they're allowed to get into it. So very fascinating stuff here. Let me know what you think about it down below. Also, as you're checking down below, listening, dropping a comment down there, check out the board of advisors on clearcryptos.com. They just released it. That link's down below there in the description. Unbelievable list here, a board of advisors. In the last 2 years that I've been in crypto, I have not seen anything like this. And this token for ClearCryptos has yet to launch, but will be launching in the near future. You're going to want to stay locked in order to do so. Check out the Discord link also listed down below. All of the breaking news and information about the upcoming launch of ClearCryptos will be available there on the Discord. So thank you so much for popping in. I appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.